How is it? Serious, boy?
Oh no!
Hey everyone, welcome back here in our channel. So this video I'm going to share to you guys my secret recipe on how to make chicken noodle soup. So here's the ingredients. So I have carrots, onion, green onions, and of course yesterday we went to Walmart and we have a leftover of the rotisserie chicken, so I shredded it. And of course I mix with chicken noodle soup with the diced chicken white meat, so it's just additional flavor, guys. And of course garlic and nor chicken cubes, and I have 2 pieces eggs and a cream style corn and a whole kernel sweet corn. So that's all the ingredients, guys. So as you can see, it's not too much ingredients. So what I am waiting for? So let's start cooking. I'm so excited. So we're here in our camper. Our TV there. So let's start. I'm hungry. Put butter. A little bit olive oil. The onion. I love lots of onion, guys. So okay lang maraming onion kasi magmi-mix na yan siya sa soup. The garlic. It's not good. Actually, if you love celery, guys, so much better. You can mix celery vegetables too, but since I don't have celery on the fridge, so yan, carrots na lang yung vegetables nilalo. Now put the chicken. Lots of chicken left over from yesterday. So yan, you just stir it. Chicken cubes. I use only one. Just continue stir. So I added mga 4 cups. 4 cups of water. Use hot water. So stir it. Pepper to taste, and a little bit salt, and wait to boil. So let's mix this, stir it up. Look at that, so yummy. I scrambled 2 large eggs and poured this here in the soup.
This defendant is writing his own lines. I want her to tell me to leave her alone. You know what? I don't want you to leave her alone. And apparently that didn't get through well.
And stir it with pork.
That's when the defendant makes a ridiculous claim. You girl, Judge Spain uses his patience.
And last, the green onions. So now you can turn off. You can turn off now. And look at that.
I will. Good. The nonsense judge has finally heard enough. It's off his black robe.
Yep, that's it, guys. That's how easy to cook my chicken noodle soup. So let's try and eat it.
Early.
Are you hungry?
No. You're forcing me to eat.
Wow. I don't have a gun to force you to eat.
Yeah, I've seen you get it.
Better prescription drug coverage, dental and vision coverage too. All at no additional
Eat it.
cost.
I love hot.
You have medical. You may be eligible for Dual Complete. So call the number on your screen now to see if you're eligible.
I'm sick. So chicken soup.
This time I cook this one, guys. So I give some of our next door. So what did you say, baby?
The best soup she ever had in her life.
Yeah,
She's just being nice.
She's being nice.
Nice lady.
But actually it's not good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's alright.
Okay, guys. This is the divorce already. We're going to divorce.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.